Hey guys, so I have the January 2018 paper pumpkin. It is called Heartfelt Love Notes, so it is a Valentine's Day theme. Let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. You get this adorable stamp set. Let me see if I can get a white piece of paper so you can actually see what it looks like. Here we go. So you get this on these couple of envelopes. I love the one with the little X's, O's, and hearts coming out. You get this envelope, and it says, "Sending hugs and kisses to you. You make my heart happy. Happy Valentine's Day. Love to, from," with a little in hearts. "XOXO, be mine." The Stampin' Spot color this month is Rich Raspberry. Like always, when I put the cards together, I'll bring out my full-size ink pad and save this. And here is the packet. Everything comes nicely wrapped in this package. So I'll go ahead and open it and we'll go through with the contents. As always, you get this sheet. It comes with a colored picture, and then on the inside it comes with step-by-step instructions on how to put your cards or project together. The bottom is a ruler if you need it. And on the back, it has everything your kit includes, as well as coordinating colors. So if you've never tried Paper Pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription. It's a great time to join right now during celebration, because I believe if you get the 6 months, you get a free product of your choice, a free stamp set. I'm sorry, not of your choice, but through Celebration, the Celebration catalog, which is good till March 31st. So every $50 you spend, you do get the free product of your choice, and that includes buying a Paper Pumpkin subscription. So I like Paper Pumpkin. You know, the kits are a surprise. Yes, there's going to be one that you probably don't care for, but there's so much inspiration online that you can make an alternative project, which is great. And I used to do alternative projects, but these last few kits I've really liked, and I've just made the whole set of what they were intended for. So you get 16 card bases, 8 each of 2 design. Here are the card bases. They're quite interesting. So this one is beautiful. It's like a foil heart. The heart is gold, and here is the card base. So just the flap that opens. And then this one, same thing. It's just your stripes. I love the pop of color on the inside. So this kit will make 16 cards, which is great if you are needing to make some Valentines. You get 16 white die-cut note cards. So I'm assuming these would go in here. Like that. So really cute. 16 craft envelopes that go with your cards that fit perfectly. 2 die-cut banner sheets. So here are your 2 sheets, and they are adhesive. 2 die-cut vellum sheets. So with your vellum, you get 2 sheets, but you have 4 hearts and then 5 banners. I don't know if you can see that at all. 2 sheets of copper foil die-cut labels. So 2 of these, and these are just punch out. 6 yards of metallic edge ribbon. I have to say, I'm so glad that they have ribbon. I'm kind of tired of the twine. So this ribbon's beautiful. So really happy that they have included ribbon this time. 80 enamel shapes, 40 of each color. Oh, there we go. So it looks like the Flirty Flamingo and the Rich Raspberry color. You get 75 dimensionals, and then you get 125 adhesive dots or glue dots. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of the cards together for you so you can see what they look like. And I will speed this up and do a voiceover so it doesn't take too long. Okay, so I've already separated everything, punched everything out. I'm taking a piece of the banner vellum and this piece of banner cardstock that is sticky on the back, and I'm going to adhere that to one of my card bases. I'm going directly off what the images on the little instruction sheet do. So you can, of course, do it however you want. Here is my full-size ink pad of Rich Raspberry, and as you can see, I opened it to that disaster. It looks like it had pilled. There's all these little round bumps on it. I have seen this in Facebook groups as being an issue, specifically with this ink, which I find interesting. So, some people thought it was mold. It's not mold. According to Stampin' Up, it's the way some of the ink separates. So I attempting to use it because I'm like, great, okay. I could have opened my Stampin' spot, but I didn't. It stamped okay, not perfect whatsoever. But for the sake of the video, I just kept going. But what you can do to fix that problem, if you come across it, is to take the back of a spoon and kind of massage the ink pad. When I went back to the ink pad a couple days later, a lot of those little circle bits had gone away. So I don't know why, but I did work it with the spoon and it did help tremendously. Is it 100%? No, not really, but I've had that ink for almost a year. In June, I don't know when, in June it'll be a year. So at this point I really can't return it, although if you did call Stampin' Up, I think they would honor their products and give you another product. However, the spoon trick worked and it stamps fine because I did the rest of the cards. So I just wanted to lay that out there just in case it is an issue because I have seen it quite a bit. So I've gone ahead and adhered that card far to the left. And here I am taking another banner, a little label sentiment that I had stamped, and I adhere it to the heart with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And then I adhere the heart with glue dots. And I make sure to put the glue dots behind my sentiment piece so you can't see it. And here I'm adding a little bit of the enamel shapes to the corner of the front of my card. Here are the inserts, and I'm taking Flirty Flamingo because I really didn't want to mess with that rich raspberry and stamping just 2 of the inserts. And what's nice about the Flirty Flamingo is if you do write a long note, you can write over it and you'll still be able to see the message. So I'm just kind of scooting it over because my ribbon's going to go in this little cutout. And of course, my hands became very inky after messing with that ink pad. And I just tie a bow and trim them up. These cards, I made the 2 for the video, and then after the video I made the rest, and I did it assembly line, and they went really quick. So I did not add enamel shapes to the other card. I may have gone back and added them. I don't even know. I filmed this several days ago. There will be still shots at the end. So I take this one and tie a bow, trim the edges. And like I said, really quick to put these little cards together. Great if you work in an office and you want to give out little, not necessarily Valentine's Days, but little note cards. You can always use a different sentiment. These don't have to be Valentine's Day theme at all, especially that striped card. But that's it, really quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it didn't go too fast. But if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, let me know. I would be glad to answer you. And I will include a link to Paper Pumpkin. And remember, if you sign up during Celebration, which goes until March 31st, and if you sign up for, I believe, 6 months or more, could be 3 months, and maybe 3 months or more, you do get to choose a free stamp set. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!